Hello friends, how are you? Please comment section tell me you. So let's you today news is Hyundai design car. Hyundai Indian recently launched in the basis is a compliant Venu petrol variants in the Indian market. The basis is a Venu petrol variant retails at the starting price of ex-showroom price 6.70 lakh. It is a ex-showroom price. The Hyundai Venue compact SUV is officed with the two petrol engines, a 1.2 liter naturally aspirated petrol motor and a 1.2 liter turbo petrol unit according to Autocar India. The basis is complied 1.2 liter engine powering. The Venu returns an array certification mileage of 7.3 kilometers. In comparison, the same engine returned to 17.5 km or in it is BC4 variancy 0.22 kilometers or more than BC6 engine. The 1.2 the 1.0 little turbo petrol engine is offered with the 5-speed manual and a 7-speed DCT automatically gearbox. The compact SUV returns a mileage of 18.1 km per 1 and 18.0 km per hour. In its BC6 format, respectively. In comparison, the BC4 turbo petrol manual returned more mileage to 0.17 km and 0.15 km DCT. The BC6 model. The Hyundai Venue rivals the Maruti Suzuki variant better Brudge automatic. The 1.0 liter turbo petrol variant is the only other SUV in the R segment. Then that returns a mileage of over 18.0 km per. However, the Vetra Brudge petrol automatic variant features the brand is SVHS mild hybrid system and returns a mileage of 18.76 km. The Venue 1.2 petrol variant also fire well against its rivals as it is a marginal outperformed by the Tata Nexon manual which returns 17.4 km per. Talking about the power output of BC6 petrol engine of the Hyundai Venue, the 1.2 liter engine produces 82 bhp and 115 Nm of turbo one point 1.0 liters, 1.03 cylinders, 1.3 liters, 3 cylinders turbo petrol engine. Chum churns out 118 bhp and 172 Nm of torque. The Hyundai Turbo Petrol is the only compact SUV to feature a DCT automatic in the segment. Hyundai has also updated the B6 models with a few changes. The entire level E and Mindspace S variants, new features and automated management system which is meant to reduce engine load while the XS variant now comes with a drive pressure monitoring system and the 6 SS plus automatic and SSO operating variants get an additional 12V power altered. The Hyundai Venue is one among few compact SUV is the offered with the B6 designed powertrain. The Venue is powered by a 1.5 liter diesel engine produced 100 bhp and 240 Nm of torque. We have reported the mileage figure of the diesel compact SUV. There are all the diesel details. In retail news, the South Carolina Auto Manufacturers is considered launching a 5 micro SUV that will rival the Maruti Suzuki S micro SUV that will rival Maruti Suzuki S Presso. The Renault keyword and the upcoming Renaissance Red. There are more details about Hyundai. Hyundai Venue features somehow best in classes features and performance with the mileage figures record on the basis model. The compact SUV offers a perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. So guys, any doubts in comment section, mention you. Don't forget, please like and subscribe.